YouTube? It's your boy Opus. We're jumping right back into a brand new video today. As you can see, we are not driving a BMW and something a little bit different today. This is my good buddy Blake's Mustang 5.0. It's a Gen 2 Coyote. It's a T56 Magnum XL swap with a 75-76 on 3 turbo. So decent size single turbo car. If you guys know these Coyotes, God, I'm so used to BMW. I know y'all seen that double pump, but if you know these Coyotes, you know they absolutely love boost. And this thing definitely loves boost. I drove this car NA a lot. Blake's had this thing for probably 3 years now. And I drove it a lot when it was NA. Damn, actually he's had it for like 4 or 5 years now. That's crazy. It's 2025. He got it in 2021, so yeah, 4 years. Cars came a long way. Like, I was sending him videos this morning that I was digging in my camera roll, just NA pulls when I was making 450, 500 wheel. And it was fun back then, you know, when we were 18, 19. We're 21, 22 now, so definitely needed some power, you know what I mean? But yeah, very beautiful car, gets the job done in all aspects. And I'm just surprised at how well this thing has taken the power that he added to it, honestly, because like I said, I drove it when it was NA. It wasn't sketchy by any means, but if you guys know, I mean, Mustangs, they've got that classic stereotype, you know what I mean, that it's a Mustang. At the end of the day, it's gonna do the Mustang. And driving this car the past 24 plus hours, I can definitely say that this thing is planted on the road. It doesn't do anything weird out of the ordinary. Granted, I am sticking on wastegate and I am not touching traction control, so I'm full traction control on at wastegate pressure, so probably like 10 pounds of boost. So, you know, take it how you will, but to me, that's very, very surprising that on the street I can do second gear 30, 40 mile an hour pulls and not really spin. Like, it hazes them. I mean, it's skating a little bit, but it's just gliding and it's going straight. So yeah, very, very fun car, to say the least. Shout out to Blake for letting me drive it. X3M's out at Frankie's right now getting some front diff bushings and single mid thrown on, so we'll get that back later today. But for the time being, got a fun little Mustang to drive. So gonna get you guys some POV clips, some good pulls, good driving clips. But yeah, this is the car. As far as like setup, like I said, 75-76 on 3 turbo, T56 Magnum XL swap for the trans, so it is a stick shift car. The most fun thing about this thing is that it's a stick shift car. He did have it boosted with the MT82, and I think it lasted like 2 weeks, and then he blew the trans. So yeah, if that doesn't tell you something about the MT82, I don't really know what will. But I mean, he threw 700, every bit of 700, 800 wheel horsepower at that trans. So at a stock trans, I was already grinding 5th. So, you know, it is what it is. It's cars, man. But T56 so far has been perfect, so no complaints. But yeah, as far as suspension, this car is on a full Steeda rear suspension kit, stop the hop kit, as well as Steeda bushings, and then SR coilovers. For fuel, he does have a full fuel system with, I believe, 1400 cc injectors. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's stock motor, oil pump gears. Like, that's pretty much the only thing he's done to the motor, as far as I know. For traction, Mickey Thompson ET Street R. I'm looking for the size now. I believe it's like a 305 50 17. But yeah, man, overall, definitely a great car. Definitely a very different driving experience than what I'm used to. And it makes me miss a stick shift car. The V8 and the single turbo are great, but being able to shift your own gears, no lift shift this car, the noises it makes, there is not much better. All right, I'm gonna throw the head cam on and get you guys some good driving clips. So let's get it. All right, I think this is a pretty good angle for you guys. I actually have to get a haircut at 9, so I'm kind of running a little bit behind, not too behind. Barber's only like 10 minutes from here, maybe a little more, but we're in a Mustang, so we should get there pretty damn quick, right? Right? That's if I don't stall on the way there at all. But you know, we'll see how that goes. I don't even know if that leads out. I'm gonna have to flip around. This camera's sitting right on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna have to mess with that just a tad. There we go. Alright, that should be good. That's better. You don't like these sounds, you don't like cars, man. That's all I got to say. Truly. Honestly, truly. Oh shit, look at that thing. That motherfucker's sick. The weather gets nice, everybody's coming out. The Pennzoil decal on the side of it, shit. So the biggest thing about this car that I want to emphasize is that Blake did all this shit himself. He built this in his garage, from pulling the motor to do the single turbo, from pulling the transmission multiple times, swapping it, upgrading to a T56. Like, building this car from the ground up, everything was done by Blake. So drop him a follow on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. All of his handles are the same everywhere. I'm going to put it up on the screen right now. As well as follow his automotive page. Any business that you need, any work done that you need in the Indianapolis area, he can do it, man. From small jobs to big jobs. He just got done doing a ESS install, G3R on a Gen 3 Coyote. So that's pretty cool. He did that in like a week for our guy Ethan. So, and that car is absolutely moving now. Like, just threw the ESS on, that's it. No fuel system, stock trans, stock motor. The car is moving. So yeah, if you need anything done, no matter how big, no matter how small, definitely reach out to Blake. Beating any shop rate all the time. And passing queers, baby. I love it, man. I love it. I love this fucking car, dog. I got a fucking K5 coming up on my ass. They're probably gonna say some shit to me. That thing is too loud. That thing is too loud. Yeah, I know. I wish my cars were this loud. It'd be real nice, bro. It'd be real nice. Although Bentley was, oh man, Bentley throws a fit in this thing, bro. I can't go past like 3,000 RPMs of Bentley in this car. She is tripping. The Beamers, I could do a burnout, I could do donuts, I could launch that thing a million times, go 180 miles an hour, and she could care less.
Oh, wait. That is stupid. Is that a cop? No. No. That is dumb, bro. Like, that's the only way to say it. That is so stupid. Now this Jetta's shitty. Watch, they try to come around me like a goofy. I really wish I had a second GoPro and a mount or something that I could throw on the fender behind the dump or on the hood facing down at the dump. Bro, like, I gotta figure something out. We're probably shooting some nasty fucking flames on those ships. Oh man, dude. Insanity. Absolute insanity. This car is a riot. So on 10 pounds of boost, we're on gate. So between 8-10 pounds, right around there. So it's probably making 750, 800 wheel around that neighborhood. So plenty. I mean, it's got plenty. And limiter is, bro, I don't even think Blake knows where limiter is. He says he ships at like 8K, but he's not sure where limiter is. It's like, I'm gonna have to look back at the footage because I don't even really watch it. I just shift when I feel like it should shift. Like, it's all feel for me. So I'm just like, all right, when I feel like I need to upshift, bang that shit. But shit, I could be leaving 1,000 RPMs or something on the table and not even know it. I probably am. I highly doubt I'm taking it that high. Shoo-wee. Insane, bro. Insane. I'm gonna cut this camera off because y'all see it. I'm just dealing with semis, not knowing how to fuck to drive. So I'll pick it back up in a minute, man.